Hey guys, this is host Rahul from Tenor and today we have a new budget device from Tenor, the Tenor D2, and today we will be doing unboxing and will give you our first impression with the device. This Tenor D2 is an Amazon India exclusive device and it will be only available on Amazon India. Price of this device starts from 6,999. And when it comes to specs of this device, it runs on a Snapdragon 445 processor clocked at 1.4 GHz. It's an quad-core processor and it comes in two variants, the 2GB RAM with 16GB of internal storage and 3GB RAM with 32GB of internal storage. It has got 5.45-inch HD Plus display and it houses 32 mAh battery. And once you open the box, you will get your Tenor D2 device itself. There is a manual travel adapter, a USB cable for charging and data transfer, and a SIM ejector tool. That's it. The body of Tenor D2 is made up of plastic with metallic finish, which gives a nice finish to the device and it feels nice to hold it. There are curves on the device which allows you to hold it more properly, which do help you as it has got slippery back panel. When it comes to connectivity ports, then on the right side you have your power and sleep button along with your volume rockers. They provide nice feedback and does not wobble when you press it. On the left side it has SIM tray. It comes with triple slot SIM tray, which is nice as you can have two SIMs and a micro SD card at the same time without compromising anything. At bottom you have your micro USB port for charging and data transfer along with primary mic. The back of this device houses a single 13MP rear camera along with LED flash, and there is a very large speaker grill as well, which we need to see how loud it can be. At front you have a 5MP front facing camera for selfies and it has a 5.45-inch HD display screen, which means you have a screen resolution of 720 by 1440 pixel and aspect ratio is of 18:9. When it comes to software scenario, it runs on stock Android 8.1 OS, which means you will get vanilla experience on this device. However, as it is an Amazon exclusive device, then you will find some Amazon apps like Amazon Music, Kindle and some more on this device. Apart from this, UI is neat and clean and in our usage it does not lag. The build quality seems good and the UI is quite nice and clean. The only one thing which seems to be missing here is the fingerprint scanner. Stay tuned as we will be testing camera and other features of this device. So stay tuned and stay subscribed for full review of this Tenor D2 device. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press a thumbs up for us, and yes, don't forget to press that big red subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching. This is your host Rahul signing off, and like always, have a nice day ahead.